Tired of vague injection molding quotes that swing by 30% once the details show up? Here's the exact info I send to get a tight, apples-to-apples quote the first time. Start with files, a clean 3D CAD model, step, and a 2D drawing with critical dimensions, tolerances, and datums clearly marked. Include the revision number, material, specify resin family, specify the exact grade, additives, UV, FR rating, glass fill, color standard, Pantone, color standard, RAL, surface finish, SPI, surface finish, VDI, part design notes, wall thickness range, draft angles, undercuts, threads, living hinges, inserts, overmold or bi-shot if relevant. Call out cosmetic faces versus hidden areas, volumes and timing, estimated annual usage, order lot size, ramp schedule, target SOP date, sample deadlines, production lead time expectations, quality, target tolerances, critical to quality features, CPK goals, required documentation, PPIP, required documentation, FAI, ISO, UL RO HS REACH, FDA, medical, food contact, tooling, preferred mold life, steel, P20, steel, H13, steel, S136, hot runner, cold runner, cavity count, target cycle time, press tonnage window if you know it, ask for DFM feedback on gating, parting line, ejector marks, venting, draft, processing, resin shrink rate assumptions, drying requirements, post-mold conditioning or anneal, dimensional stability over time, packaging and logistics, part orientation, protective packaging, labeling, carton count, pallet spec, Incoterms, mention destination region for freight estimates, commercials, target price, if you have one, payment terms, warranty on tool life, maintenance responsibility, who owns the tool. Attach your NDA, ask for a line item quote, tool cost, per part price at multiple volumes, setup fees, sample runs, lead times, bonus, include photos or a sample of a benchmark part, plus a nice-to-have list you'll trade for cost or lead time. Copy this checklist into your RFQ email, tick every box, and watch the quotes get faster and way more accurate.